Alright, so I made it up the mountain. My huffing and puffing has largely stopped. On the way up, I found some more trash, some more cans, piece of plastic, a bottle, a piece of an old metal container somebody had shot up. But as I was hanging out here by the Bronco, catching my breath again, I've been doing some more listening and looking around. And as I was looking around, I noticed this really cool stump. And you look at it, it's like, well, it's a stump, it's rotten, gross, but it has a bit going on with it in terms of fungus. There's this really neat guy, which I always grew up calling a conch, and maybe that's what it's called, maybe it's called something else, but it has spiders. I don't see the spiders, I just see their webs. Lots of this really cool moss. And then on the top, there's this really, oh, there's a hole there. Gotta watch out for rotten root holes too. Whoopsie doodle. At the top, and I will watch my step a little bit this time. Yeah, we're not stepping on that. Is this weird, lumpy, I assume fungus, but I couldn't tell you what kind. Looks kind of wild. And there's probably a whole lot more going on I can't see, just because I don't know what to look for. But a pretty cool stump anyway. There's some nice bigger roadies there. And it's just, you know, this is an older logging zone. That log laying there was cut. And I'd say it was cut quite some time ago. Anyway, I think that'll be it for videoing for today, unless I come across something wild. My dash cam will catch anything else as I drive, but this was a nice little walk, not too strenuous, and good for my heart and lungs to get a workout.